Hi everyone, I'm Angela Dahlgren. TouringPlans.com has a room request feature that helps you request a great room at a Walt Disney World Resort hotel. And today, I'm going to show you how to make that request for yourself. First, sign into your Touring Plans dashboard and create a trip for your Walt Disney World Resort hotel stay. From there, you can set up a room request. And if you're staying at 2 hotels, make a separate trip for each hotel, and then you can set up a room request for each. Head to Request Room, and a map of your resort will be shown. You can search for your perfect room through a number of filters, including room type, walking distance to lobby and transportation, even floor and sound level. Resorts will appear, and you're free to look at room views from your hotel, and we also have room views from every resort hotel on Disney property. Now, when you make your request, we recommend that you only request the type of room that you're paying for. That allows the room assigner to try to meet your request. Now keep in mind that though we attempt to keep our room types as current as possible, Disney changes its room categories periodically, and we are a third party. However, we do our best to get updated room information to you as quickly as possible. Once you've found the perfect room, you can either highlight the text in blue that you see, or click the blue Here to make a room request for that room. Hit Configure Room Request, and you're good to go. If you need to let the hotel know any other specifics, you can enter that information in the Additional Requests field. An example of this would be if you need connecting rooms. Specify that your top request is that the room be connecting to another room, and also list the other party's name and the reservation number that should be in the connected room. To remove the request, click on the Configure Room Request button for your trip again, then click Never mind, click here to delete this request link. In the past, which is prior to August 2019, we sent room requests to Disney hotels via fax machine, starting just 5 days prior to check-in. Now we send requests up to 30 days prior to check-in. Now if you add your room request later than that, we will just try to send the request the next morning. Now what about Disney's online resort check-in service? If you like it, by all means, use it. Just make sure you don't input any room requests that contradict something you already requested using our tool. If you have any doubt, just leave the request area blank during Disney online check-in. Our Room Finder tool does not guarantee anything. We try to send the request to Disney, but we can't control what, if anything, Disney does with it. We have heard plenty of success stories, including upgrades, but like I said, the tool comes with no guarantees. Now for my experience. I stayed at Disney's Art of Animation Resort and Disney's Polynesian Village Resort in August for the opening of Galaxy's Edge. For Art of Animation, I was upgraded to a car suite, just by myself, upgraded to a car suite. And for Disney's Polynesian Resort, I got the room right next to the one I wanted, with almost the exact same view. Overall, I was very pleased with my results. And finally, we do not offer this room request tool for Disneyland hotels or Universal Orlando Resort hotels. That's all I have for today. If you have any more questions about this room finder, I'll have links below to our webpage and to help.touringplans.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you did, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye!